In this tutorial, you'll learn how to manage purchase orders, a key feature for businesses that handle large inventories, receive regular deliveries, or place orders for specific jobs. With this feature, you can track upcoming deliveries and monitor their statuses, see which suppliers each product is ordered from, and keep a complete history of orders and suppliers. You can create purchase orders in different ways, based on low stock items, client back orders, or directly from the Inventory Purchase Orders page. Let's start with creating a purchase order from scratch. Click plus Purchase Order, pick a supplier from your contacts, search by name or phone, or create a new one straight from here. Add the supplier's invoice number or date if you have it, set expected delivery date if known, you can add it anytime later, and pick the warehouse for those goods. Now add products you want to order. Search or scan by barcode, code, or name. If it's a new item, type the name, click plus Create Item, and fill details. Set quantity and purchase price. You can adjust this later when products arrive too. Click Create. Done. Your order is created in draft status. Small tip: duplicate orders for purchases that often repeat. Open it, choose Actions button, duplicate. Everything copies over and you can slightly adjust it if needed. This way you can quickly create regular supplies. Go to Inventory, Purchase Orders, Client Back Orders tab. This list shows you all items added to client orders without stock deduction. Reminder: to make those items to automatically go to this list, adjust status settings. For example, for the status waiting for parts, choose the box Add non-deducted products to the client backorders list. This way, when you'll add products to an order, change the status to waiting for parts, those products now will be displayed automatically on the client backorders list. You can also book these products for a specific client. We recommend sorting products by suppliers in the list and creating separate orders per supplier. Check Products, hit Actions button, and choose Create Purchase Order or Add to an existing one. If you click Create, a new window will open for making purchase order. Just choose a warehouse. All selected items will be added automatically with quantities and last purchase price. You can change the price if necessary. Note: if all items are from the same supplier, that field fills in automatically. If they are from different suppliers, you'll need to enter the supplier details manually. Then click Create. That's it. The purchase order is now created and shown on the main page. Selected items are removed from the client backorders list. If you select Add to Purchase Order, you'll see all available purchase orders with their document numbers, suppliers, and warehouses. Choose the order you want and click Add. Done. The order has been updated and new items are now included. If you use Product Reservations feature, then after receiving the related purchase order, selected items will be automatically reserved in the needed quantities for the corresponding customer orders. You'll also see this information in the activity feed, which will display the purchase order number, expected delivery date, and status, if the goods have already been received. Go to Inventory Purchase Orders, Products to Reorder tab. This page shows all products whose stock levels have fallen below the set minimum and need to be restocked. In the system, you can set minimum stock levels for each warehouse to make sure essential parts, materials, and popular products are always available when you need them. We recommend sorting products in the list by the warehouse and supplier, and creating separate documents for each warehouse and supplier. This is because later you won't be able to receive products from multiple suppliers or for several warehouses within a single document. Next, select the required products using checkboxes and click the Action button at the bottom. Then, choose either to create a new purchase order or add to an existing one. If you select Create, a new window will open for creating a purchase order. All the selected products will be added automatically in the required quantities and at the price of the last purchase, which you can add it to. Note, if you selected products from the same supplier and for the same warehouse, those fields will be filled in automatically. If the products come from different suppliers or warehouses, you'll need to enter those details. Then click Create. Done. The purchase order has been successfully created and now appears on the main page, while selected products have been removed from the Products to Reorder list. If you choose Add button, you'll see a list of all existing purchase orders with the number, supplier, and warehouse. Select the purchase order you want to add the chosen products to, then click Add. Done. The selected order has been successfully updated. After creating the document, you can edit its details. For example, change the list of products, prices, or quantities. In the activity feed, you can add comments, attach files, and create tasks. You'll also see a history of all changes, such as status updates, order amount changes, or related document creation. To change the status, click on it and select the one you need. Currently, only system statuses are available, such as draft, in progress, approval, received, in transit, posted, cancelled, and rejected. In future updates, you'll be able to create your own custom statuses. In the Payment section, you can record payments to a supplier or refunds from a supplier. Click the button, select the payment method in the account, add comments or tags if needed, and click Create. Done. The payment has been successfully created and now appears in the table. You can see which products have already been ordered in several places within the system. On the Inventory Stock page, in the Ordered column, you'll see the quantity of each product ordered for the selected warehouse. In the Product Profile, under the Purchase Orders tab, you can view all related documents and their current statuses. In the Customer Order, you'll see the document number, product, and expected delivery date in the event feed. This way, even employees who don't have access to the warehouse can still see all the important information about planned purchases. To communicate with a supplier, make sure their profile includes a phone number or email address, and that they have agreed to receive messages. Then click the Message button and choose the communication method. If you select email, you can attach the document directly, and supplier will receive it as a PDF file. If you want to send the document via chat, for example Instagram, Facebook, or WhatsApp, follow these steps. Click Actions, Print Order, select Save as PDF to download the document to your device. After that, click Message, choose the desired chat, and send the file to the supplier. In addition to sending, you can also print a physical copy of the document. Click Actions, Print Document, then select the printer to print it out. To print or save multiple documents at once, select the required purchase orders in the list using checkboxes. Then click the Printer button and choose Print Orders. After that, select a printer or save documents as PDF files. When products arrive and you need to record them in the warehouse, change the order status to posted. After that, the system will automatically open a new document where the supplier warehouse and list of products with quantities and prices are already filled in. If your company uses bin locations, be sure to specify them in the document. For products with expiration dates or serial tracking, enter the corresponding expiration dates and serial numbers. Click Create button. Done. The document has been successfully created based on the purchase order. In the Orders event feed, you'll see the linked document. Now you know how to work with purchase orders in our system. Share your feedback, suggestions for improvement, or interesting use cases in comments. Have a great day and enjoy your work.